Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the BUP International Quiz League 2020's History, Politics, Art and Culture quiz. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Here you go with the quiz. So the question number 1 was about a particular series of war. The war gets its name from a particular living object because of the emblem, two emblem being House of Lancaster had red and a House of York had a white, something from the variety of living object. So what it would be? So this is indeed the War of Roses. So War of Roses is what I was looking for. Roses good enough, War of Roses good enough, War of Rose good enough. Question number 2, looking for a particular uh, unique time zone. Bagan time is a unique time zone followed by whom in the Indian state of Assam. So this is indeed tea garden. So Bagan means garden. So gardens, tea gardeners, tea workers, good enough. The keyword for this question is tea. Question 3, what in the history of sports can be the dog associated with? So easy one. This is indeed the pickles and the heroic finding of the Jules Rimet trophy. So 1966 Jules Rimet trophy, pickles are the keywords for this question. Moving on to question 4, looking for the person who sketched this, considered the oldest idea of a model of helicopter, identify the person who sketched this. This one was easy. This is indeed Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci is what we were looking for. Question 5, so what happened next? So what was done to resolve the tie is what is in the question. So Shiv Sena, Surendra Bhagalkar and Atul Shah, there was a tie after few recounting. So what was the tie resolved is was the question. So this is indeed a coin toss. So coin toss is what we are looking for. So tossing a coin is good enough. Moving on to question 6, looking for what tweet was this all about. So what was the tweet all about? So this is the Japan's fan picking up the litter after the victory versus Colombia. So this was indeed the Japan's fan picking up the litter. So Japan and picking up the garbage. These are the few keywords that we are looking for in the question. Question 7, looking for which famous trial it was named by Americans after North Vietnamese president. So that would have been a giveaway hint if you would look into the answer. So the answer would be Ho Chi Minh trial. Ho Chi Minh trail is what we are looking for. So looking for the Carla Bruni's political connection. So what is her better identity in terms of politics? So this is Nicolas Sarkozy's wife. So Nicolas Sarkozy's wife would be good enough. Mentioning of country would be President of France. That would be good enough. Question 9, easy one. Name the painting which is being parodied and the original painter. So this is indeed the Scream. If you see properly, this was the main theme. The Scream by Edward Mew. Question 10, so where do they wash? So on Sundays in Senegal it is common to wash the livestock in a particular water body. We are looking for a particular water body name. So what water body is this? And this is indeed Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean will fetch you full points. Question 11, on whose epitaph these words are written? Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, I am free at last. So on whose epitaph these words are written? So this is indeed Martin Luther King. So Martin Luther King is good enough. Moving on to next question. Question 2, what from the political history in this map signifying? So this is indeed the voting rights for women. So decade women obtained the right to vote, voting rights for women, good enough. Question 13. Which famous structure is the architect also the architect of that is situated just outside of a most famous place in the world? So, one of the most famous place in the world out located outside that. So, if you see the structure properly, it's look like the glass pyramid of Louvre. So, Louvre pyramid, glass pyramid of Louvre, good enough. So class pyramid of Louvre is good enough. So question 14. So which sport is this? Encyclopedia Britannica. It was first played in Persia. Also, there is a connection of Qutbuddin Aibak that he died while playing this particular sport, which was called Chogan in Persia. So which particular sport is this? This is polo. Polo will fetch you full points. Question 15. Identify the person posing with an Aston Martin painted with the Union Jack. As I said, Union Jack would be a keyword. Many of you wrote Donald Trump probably because of the hair color you can see, but I said you might have got confused. But as I said, Union Jack, it would be obviously Boris Johnson. So Boris Johnson is what I was looking for. Moving on to question number 16. So five football games that changed the world. So what was the significance of that kick? This footballer kicked a policeman on their ground. So in January 2011, the match was named by CNN as one of the five football games that changed the world. So what happened? So this is indeed the independence of Croatia from Yugoslavia. So independence of Croatia keywords is independence of Croatia. So moving on to question number 17, why it is known as the most ignored painting in the world. So this is Wedding of Cana painting by Paul Veronese. So why it is the most ignored painting in the world. So this painting is in the museum in Paris, just opposite to the famous painting Mona Lisa. So when people stare or click the photo with the painting, this is the painting which faces everyone's back and thus gets ignored. So this is just you can say opposite to famous painting Mona Lisa. So thus gets ignored. So question number 18. So what we are looking for, we gave three his significance from three different sources. Like in we told about in India Madhava of Sangam, Gram and Kerala School of Astronomy, and also some basic rule of it is given in the Principia Mathematica. So what is being talked about? This is calculus. Calculus will fetch you full points. Moving on to question number 19. This one was easy. As I said, gaming. So I said a particular word get its name from this particular bird which got its popularity during and after the World War One. So probably some weapon it would be. As I said, game. So this is common snipe, and the word which we get is sniper. So from common snipe, it is sniper. Question number 20, looking for a particular historical place. It's a mountain pass in Aravalli range of Rajasthan. Famous place believed to have come from the fact about this particular place that it got a turmeric colored soil. So turmeric means haldi and the place would be Haldi Ghati. Easy one. Question number 21. So, looking for the name of the opponent of Helinen. So, Terence Helinen advanced with a 37% vote majority of the general election for district attorney of San Francisco, but failed to win the election, and thus his dream to be district attorney of San Francisco was shattered. So, name the opponent of Helinen. This is Kamala Harris. So, was in news recently. So, Kamala Harris is what we were looking for. Question 22. What does this indicate in the Mexico City? The rectangle and the circles, green circles. So, what are these basically? So these are basically the gathering point during the earthquake. So earthquake is what we're looking for. So safety places for earthquake, people gathering for after the evacuation of earthquake. So gathering point, earthquake, these are the keywords. So earthquake is the keyword. So earthquake needs to be in your answer. Moving on to question number 23. So what is the purpose of this kind of cups? And there was a clue that Salvador Dali said it would have been probably proved useful for Salvador Dali. If you know, Salvador Dali got a great mustache, and this is indeed to save the mustache from getting wet. So mentioning of mustache is what we were looking for. Question number 24, looking for a particular person. We gave the political history of that person. In March 1994, he was appointed as the first deputy chairman of the government of St. Petersburg. So who are we talking about? This is indeed Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin will fetch you full points. Question 24. Identify the instrument which gets its name from a particular mythological character from Hindu mythology. As I said, current affairs. Dashera was just celebrated, and the character being Ravan and the answer being Ravana Hatta. So Ravana Hatta, good enough. 4 points. Question number 26. Looking for a famous public square. Public square in the city of Westminster, central London, built around the area formerly known as Charing Cross. So which public square is this? This is indeed Trafalgar Square. So Trafalgar Square is good enough for the points. Question 27. Looking for a country and a colloquial name. Dash sausage is the colloquial name for sausage wrapped in slice of bread. So the political connection being that's for the fundraising outside the polling places. So this would be democracy sources, and Australia being the country, Australia in democracy sources for full points, otherwise half points for each. So 10 plus 10, 20 points for this question. And connect them or simply tell me where you can see them together. So they are obviously we can see in the Mount Rushmore. So Mount Rushmore is what we were looking for. So probably the easiest of all. Question number 29. So name the country from where this particular desert belong to. Tangguan is a desert that is a ball of glutinous rice. So which country this particular desert belongs to? So this literally means soup bowl. So which country is this? So this is indeed China. China will fetch you full points. Question 30. What is the claim to fame of this artist? I'm not looking for the name. This is Nicholas Almehid. So obviously the person is in news because of the Nobel paintings. So he is the official painter of the Nobel Prize Association. So Nobel Prize winner paintings, so Nobel Prize drawings. So these are few keywords that I will be looking for in your answer. So thank you for watching the whole video. Do give your reviews in the comment section. That's all from our side, and do subscribe the channel if you are yet to do it. Share with your friends and like the video. That's all.